Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing. I've got a song, you hum along.
Welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie, and this is my daughter, Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a rich waterfall style. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. The first step is to put this half up into a ponytail. So you're going to go from ear to ear. So you're going to split it from ear to ear all the way to the back. Okay, so it's split from one side of the ear to the other side. From here, all the way to the other side of the ear right here. So you're going to go and smooth this out and secure it off with an elastic band. Okay, so the next step is to take this ponytail and bring it under and up through this top. So I'm going to use a TopsyTail with this. You don't have to use one, but it does help. Okay, so I'm going to put it right through this ring right here. Then bring this up and over. And I'm going to go ahead and split this into two. After splitting it in half, I'm going to take this here and just secure it temporarily so that it's not going to be in my way. And I'm going to pin this, so I'm going to clip this to the side right here so it'll be out of my way. And we're going to work right here. So you're going to take this forward towards her face, and you're going to take the TopsyTail right here, and you're going to take this right to the ridge part, right here on the ridge, and then you're just going to take a small section of this tail, put it right through the TopsyTail ring, like this, and then you just pull the TopsyTail right through, right there, like that. Do the same thing where the ridge is. Put it right through this ridge. Right here. Take a small section and put that section right through the ring, and pull the TopsyTail right through. Okay, I'm going to try to get about 4 or 5. Again, I'm going to take this TopsyTail right here by the ridge, split a section here, pull right through the ring, and pull the TopsyTail right through. You're just going to continue to do that until you have no more to pull through. It's all repetitive. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only.
From me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away. From me to be my everything, you are only a shot away from me.
You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to try to get 6 strands out of these. I pulled everything through. I'm gonna let this go. Bring this back, and there you have it. Final spin.
Too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater. I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback. So let us know about success and find our videos or parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now, this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over it there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye, God bless, and have a great new year.